Well, this complicates things. I don't know a quick way around, and there's no way we'll move this ourselves. Guess we'll need to back off until we get reinforcements.
Step aside, please.
Huh? What are you...
Whoa!
Was that magic? No. It felt different.
The Empire has been studying ways to amplify the power of a rune lens by channeling it through a device called a regule.
Huh, that's incredible! I wish mine could do that.
You've got a lens, Noah? Well, ladies and wolves, so do I. Rub-a-dub-dub, don't be a flub! There! Did you see the glint? My power is usually focused in my hand, but I can't seem to redirect it as magic.
A lens's power conforms to a wielder's talent. Yours is merely doing what you need it to.
So everyone here's got a lens? What about you, Hildy?
In a manner of speaking.
Nice.
That regule contraption is pretty impressive. Are they common in the Empire?
Dunno. More importantly, where are you from, Noah?
A small village up in the mountains.
Were your folks okay with you joining the Watch? 'Cause mine sure weren't having it.
My parents are dead, actually.
Oh. Sorry.
It's all right. The other villagers are like family to me, especially Aunt Martha. And she really didn't want me to go.
If you all don't mind, we need to carry on.
Enemy sighted. Ready to intercept.
This is it! Nothing to worry about.
Enemy sighted. Ready to intercept.
This is it!
Conflict resolved without incident. sighted! Ready to intercept!
Yes!
It's over!
That doesn't even count as exercise.
Interesting.
Yes!
Done. Not a hair out of place.
I just keep getting better.
Huh. What is this?
Some sort of shrine, though the design is unfamiliar.
There's nothing here.
We're not alone. Stay alert and keep moving.
There goes my plan to stop for a picnic.
Let's do this! Yes!
It's over! Conflict resolved without incident.
Huh? How did we...
Well. I smell a mystery afoot, kiddo.
You think maybe...
Yeah, could be related.
Okay, I really want to know what this is. Okay.
To arms!
Yes!
Yeah, got him!
doesn't even count as exercise.
Something's here.
Weapons up, everyone. We got company.
Where? I can't see it.
Up there! Above us!
Enemy sighted. Ready to intercept.
Ready to attack!
Guards up!
On your feet!
Thanks!
Yes! Yes!
Swords! What's next?
Yes! Farewell.
So much for that.
What was that?
A forest eater? They cause plenty of trouble around my village, too.
Good thing you brought us. We're skilled, and we know what we're talking about.
Yes. Thank you, good Lycan.
I have a name. It's Gar.
As you wish, Master Gar.
When you say it, it sounds so sarcastic. Fine.
Call me Mio.
Okay, hang on. Did we really never do introductions? In that case, I'm Leon. I saw you checking out my moves during the fight. Pretty snazzy, eh?
Yes, they were hard to miss.
Yup, sure were. Well, spread the word when you get back to Galdia. I want everyone to know about the butt-kicking Supergirl you met.
I owe you thanks as well, Noah.
Just count yourself lucky we spotted it first. Anyway, are we ready to move on? The barrels are close. I can feel it.
No, you can't. Stop trying to hog the spotlight, new guy.
is...
What'd you do, Noah?
The mist is clearing. It and the shrines must be linked.
A trap designed to protect the barrows. I've read reports of such mechanisms.
So, can we get through now?
Guess it's out of tricks.
Okay, knock it off! I thought something terrible...
Look at that.
It must be part of the rune barrows.
Oh, did we hit pay dirt? Maybe our rune lenses guided us.
Let's press on.
Let's get it done! Yeah, yeah.
Enemy down!
Done. And not a hair out of place.
I think I get it now.
It must have been imbued with the same power as the other shrine.
Ooh, imbued. Good word.
Guess there's nothing more to see.
Somebody's smiling on you today, Lieutenant.
See? I told you guys! Pay dirt with a capital P!
Yes, but the entrance is closed.
Not a problem. So long as the ruins still hold life.
Whoa.
Rune barrows and lenses are closely intertwined, although some of the more neglected ruins no longer respond.
So, this is the end, right? Mission accomplished and all that?
Not until we know if these are the correct barrows.
What do you mean?
Our true objective is a special caliber of rune lens known as a primal lens. The mere possibility of finding one is why so many resources have been mustered for this operation.
Hey, yeah! I think the Yelly lady in Aaronside mentioned something about that.
Is this primal lens so different from the ones we have?
Indeed, they are priceless. Only a handful have ever been discovered.
Well, there's only one way to find out if it's here.
Where is your sense of caution?
Don't worry. If something's in there, we can take it.
Fair enough.
Then it's agreed we'll explore inside. Good.
Interesting. Last one!
Conflict resolved without incident.
Get a look at this place.
It seems promising.
Over there.
What's that? I can't make it out.
Is it the primal lens?
Pretend it is. What do you get out of this? Fame and fortune?
Let's just say it would be a stunning accomplishment.
Does anyone see a way to reach it?
Well, we came this far. Let's sniff around.
Pessoal, é com esse daqui que a gente encerra o segundo vídeo. Nesse aqui, poucos comentários, ou nenhum. A história deu uma avançada, aprendemos algumas coisas. Tem uma segunda playlist no canal com as upações e comentários para quem quer aprofundar um pouco mais ou comentar mais coisas por lá. Aqui eu finalizo essa parte. Curta os vídeos, entre no canal, coloca os sininhos, parangolê. Vou terminar por aqui, tá salvo aqui. No próximo vídeo a gente continua a exploração atrás da lente primeval.